Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Artman, and we go to the screen first. Uh, you might wonder what this is. You can see the big. I'm in the student view of your Canvas, so I've been seeing what you're seeing. I need to mention a couple things first. I meant to delete this ISTE survey, so you see that in your course, and I do apologize that that's not there. Ignore that. Okay, there's nothing to do there. What I've done is I want to find a way, since you're online students, you guys know that you're always welcome to come to my office during my office hours, where you can always schedule a different time frame. You can email me. My email's right here. There's my office phone number. You can always contact me and tell me if you need help, and we'll find time to meet. I did add two discussion board threads that I want you guys to please subscribe to. They are not required. They're not graded. It's an extra place for you guys to communicate with me and with the other students in class. If you have questions, concerns, want to share something you've learned, want to get some extra help your and get to know your classmates. We have two. The first one is the aha moments. And give it a second to open. There we go. It's just I create this discussion board so you as students have a place to share what you learned in the course with each other, share whatever you like about the course, what you've learned, what you think your fellow students would like to know as well. So if you just see something neat, if you see something you come across you think could benefit me, benefit your student, your classmates, something you see in a field experience with a great way that somebody used something, or you come across something in a blog or whatever, and you want to share it here, please do so. So I'm going to go ahead, just so you can see that I'm subscribing. So I'm going to say you're unsubscribed, will not be notified of new comments. Now I'm subscribed. It says you are subscribed and will be notified of new comments. So anytime anybody posts, I'll get an email saying there's been a new comment in the aha moments. So I'm asking that you guys please do the same, so that if you may post, you can see what it is and see what something new that you can learn. And the second discussion board I've added is this course questions. Very straightforward. You probably done other class. And I should have done this the first week of class, and I apologize. I just lost track. So this one, you guys, you're welcome to post questions for each other, question for me. Maybe you need clarification. If there's a troubleshooting, there's a broken link or something just doesn't work right, or I trouble find something, put it there. I'll help you, or a classmate will help you. Everyone's welcome to post here, each other comments, help each other out. I'm just monitoring as well. Of course, in either of these, we're not going to put spam type things. We're not going to say anything mean. It's just there to help each other out. So let me subscribe as well, so you can see that I'm taking part, and I will hear those and get those emails sent me by subscribe. So please, in these two, just click subscribe. Feel free to use it. It's just there as another way to help you guys out. That's it. I just wanted to post that. Again, please keep up the good work. Please let me know if you ever need anything. I'm here to help each other out, get to know each other, and keep having a great semester. Yes, thank you so much.